It looks like a busy day at the construction site.
Yeah.
Let's see what Billy and Edna are up to. That's a lot of cement! Edna, watch out! Oh no! Billy, look out! Can you move? Uh-oh, that container looks like it might fall. I think you need some help. Hey, Carl, we need your help. You're watching the Lego movie? Sorry, but it's an emergency. Billy and Edna are stuck in wet cement. See, Carl? They are really stuck. I think Carl has an idea. Wow, there's quite a crowd. It's Super Truck. He's a jackhammer truck. Cool. The jackhammer's breaking up the concrete. I think you need to hurry. That container won't hold out for much longer. Oh no! The jackhammer has overheated! We're running out of time! I think you need the ST3000 to help you. What will the ST3000 be today? It's the ST3000! I wonder what it is! Whatever it can do, it needs to be quick! It's a laser! Neat! Billy's free! We're nearly out of time! Great idea! Phew! That was close! Yes! Super Truck and the ST3000 have done it! Well done, Super Truck! Edna wants to know what they can do to say thank you. I think Super Truck has an idea. Wow! It's a Lego party! Great! Nice Lego car! But where's Super Truck? Are you having fun at your Lego party, Super Truck? Well done, Carl. I mean, Super Truck. See you next time. Bye.
Teaching Walter to drive backwards? I'm sure you'll get the hang of it.
Something's up. You better check it out.
Looks like Baby Buzz lost his toy. He jumped onto a raft on the river. And now the shark is after him. Baby Buzz, Super Truck is here! Baby, stay where you are! Super Truck is gonna get you out of there! Super Truck, you're a boat now! You showed that shark who's boss! Come on, Baby Buzz, jump on! You want Super Truck to get your toy? It's a little dangerous. Go, Super Truck! Boo! You caught the shark! But how are you going to get the toy back? The toy is in the shark's mouth! Time for the ST-3000!
Super Truck.
Yes! It worked! Better get that toy back to Baby Buzz. Hurry! Wow! You threw that shark into the sea! Right. I guess he went back home. I'm glad you got your toy back. It's true. Super Truck really did save him.
This is not going to be easy. Super Truck is known to be good at this game. And they score! Right, Super Truck. Let's go to the base. Babies and Ben were having fun at the amusement park
Yay!
when Ben accidentally hit the carousel. Now everybody is stuck. That's right. We need to go there right now. Oh no! The situation is now even worse! No, you can't drive on the mud because you'll get stuck. Your wheels just aren't big enough. You've got an idea? A monster truck? Great idea! That's it! Keep going! Okay, Ben. Super Truck will push you out of this trouble. Yes, it's working! You're saved, Ben! Now we have to save the babies. This mud is like quicksand. Come on, Super Truck. Full power. Stop, Super Truck. You'll get stuck if you keep moving. Hey, Billy? You came to help us? Fantastic. Thank you for saving Super Truck, Billy. You're right. Let's use ST3000. Billy, you lead the way and try to get as close to the carousel as possible, okay? Come on, baby. It's not time to play. Don't move. You're all safe now, babies. Thank you for your help, Billy. Wow, looks like the coaster has been fixed. Who wants to have a play? Okay, let's go. Have fun, everybody. See you next time.
Big bubbles are the best, but they are so hard to make. Oh, it's Dr. Zig and his newest invention. I wonder what it is. Oh no, Dr. Zig's bubble maker has trapped Sunny. Come quick, Super Truck. Dr. Zig has trapped Sunny in one of his big bubbles. Watch out, Super Truck. Looks like Dr. Zig wants to trap you in a bubble too. Oh no, you're trapped in a giant bubble. It's time to transform. A unicorn? Ah, I see. You will burst the bubble with your pointy horn. Good plan. You're free. Now, on to save Sunny. Unicorn Truck is here to save you, Sunny. Well done, Unicorn Truck. You've saved Sunny, but where are the other baby trucks? Oh no! Dr. Zig is capturing all the baby trucks. Can you help them, Unicorn Truck? Great job, Unicorn Truck. You've saved all the babies. But wait, where's Barry? Barry is floating too high. He will not be able to land safely. Any ideas, Unicorn Truck? Unicorn Truck is blowing Barry to the Ferris wheel so he can have a safe landing. Your plan worked out, Unicorn Truck. Barry landed safely. Well done. You burst Dr. Zig's plans. But where is he? There he is, Unicorn Truck. He must be stopped before he can cause more trouble. Evil Dr. Zig has captured Lily in an enormous bubble. Don't worry, Lily. Unicorn Truck will help you too. The bubble is too high. It's not safe. You will have to think of something else. Great idea! Lily's bubble is rolling down the Rainbow Road. The bubble is rolling too fast. It could fall into the ocean, Unicorn Truck. Don't worry, Lily. Maybe Unicorn Truck can teleport you back to the beach. Oh no, it's not working. Keep trying, Unicorn Truck. Oh no, the bubble has burst and Lily's falling into the ocean. Unicorn Truck, help! Maybe you can use the ST-3000. You've done it, Unicorn Truck. You saved Lily. Oh no, Dr. Zig is still around. What will you do to stop him? Careful, Unicorn Truck. Dr. Zig's making another bubble. Dr. Zig is trapped inside his own bubble. Watch out, guys. There are more bubbles. Dr. Zig is here again. It's only Sunny. What a joker. Wow, the rescue team in action. Don't you ever get enough, Crocomile? You need to slow down before you bump into the car. Oh no! Crocomile is driving the wrong direction. He is going to hurt someone. Walter! Gary! Watch out! Crocomile is not planning to stop. Amber, Walter and Gary need you. Frank and Matilda will take care of Crocomile. Super Truck, Amber needs your help. Walter and Gary need medical care. Time to transform. Super Ambulance is here to treat the injured. Each ambulance will take care of a patient. A pill would calm Gary's headache. Amber, use your Band-Aid. Walter, Gary, how does it feel now? You're much better. Great job, ambulance team. Amber, keep an eye on Gary and Walter. Super Truck will join the team and stop Crocomile. Oh no, Crocomile is too fast. He's getting away. Super Truck is here to get you. You're about to get arrested, Crocomile. Oh no, fire eggs. Watch out, Super Truck. Matilda, take a detour and keep chasing Crocomile. Let's stop that fire, Super Truck. Time to transform. The fire truck is ready to stop the flames. Let's start with the small fires. Great job! Now, join forces and extinguish the trail of fire. Great job, fire truck team. Matilda needs help. The chase is too far. The fire trucks can't be there on time. Super Truck has a solution. Time to use the ST-3000. The super reactors will take you to Crocomile in no time. Oh no! Crocomile is escaping! Don't worry, Matilda. Help is coming at full speed. Not that fast, Crocomile. Nice move, Super Truck. Crocomile is fast, but not as fast as a Super Truck. You're under arrest. The villain is in jail, where he belongs. Great teamwork. The rescue squad needs your help, Super Truck. What a lovely day, Super Truck. An ice cream with the cherries on top. Was that your evil twin stealing ice cream? Oh no, Carrie is mistaking you for your twin. Your sandcastle competition needs a jury, babies. That's evil Super Truck. Don't call him. Evil garbage truck, what are you planning? You need to find your evil twin before he ruins the beach. There he is. It seems that the bad button is switched on. You need to turn that button off, Super Truck. Time to transform. Super police car is ready to stop the thief. Stop right there, evil twin. The evil twin is shooting garbage. Hurry, Super Truck. Your evil twin is running away. Do not disturb them while playing. Evil twin is trying to make you look like a villain. Let's bring the ball back to Jerry and prove your innocence. Oh no, Jerry believes you're the thief. Let's stop the twin from causing more trouble. Keep going, Super Truck. You need to press that button. You'd better watch over your things, Edna. There is a thief on the beach. Too much sun for your eyes, evil twin? Oh no, the evil twin is determined to make you look bad. And Edna is believing it. Don't let him get away, Super Truck. Time to transform. super boat is ready to ride the waves. The twin is planning to annoy Bobby. Let's stop him. Bobby loves his nap. No one dares interrupting it. Oh no, this is going to be a catastrophe. Luckily, Super Truck is here to stop you. You can't catch him this way, Super Truck. Now Bobby is mad at you too. No time to explain, Super Truck. Let's use the ST-3000. Super Boomerang will help you press the good twin button. Hurry, Super Truck. He's getting back to land. You missed it, Super Truck. Try again. Oh, that was close. He's getting away. This is your final chance to catch him. Nice move. Let's make sure the twin is not harmful anymore. The twin is feeling sorry for what he did. Apologies accepted. Do you still like volleyball?
Wow, Jerry's sure going fast. Now that's an unusual race. Look at these fans! Jerry, it's not nice to call Bobby a slowpoke. Careful, Jerry! Oh no! Uh-oh, Jerry. Looks like we need help. Duty calls, Carl. Super Truck, go! Jerry and Bobby are a bit further away, Super Truck. Look over there! In the water! Whoa! The water is getting polluted with all this trash! What are you going to do, Super Truck? Super Truck will take care of this, Jerry. Great idea, Super Truck. It's working. See, Bobby? There's nothing to fear. Super Truck is here. You'll be more careful next time, Jerry. You want to help, Jerry? That's nice of you, but maybe you should let Super Truck... Jerry! Super Truck, quick! Hang in there, Jerry. Super Truck! Use your ST3000! What's this?
Didaboo!
Hey!
Another job well done, Super Truck. Everyone is safe.
Hey!
Hey!
Look at that, Jerry. You get to water ski. Bye, friends. See you next time. Whoa, guys. What's the big hurry? Ah, you're racing to see who can find the first Easter egg. See anything? How about you, Carl? Well, good luck. Carl, wait! Hold on! Yikes! Sorry to interrupt, but there's an emergency. Oh no! Babies can't find any eggs at all! Walter hid them too well! Can you help them search? You are great at hide and seek. This should be an easy case for you. Don't worry, babies. Super Truck is here. He and Walter will find the eggs in no time. Come on, let's go look. You see any eggs, Walter? What about you, Super Truck? Nothing? Oh, wait. Look, some candy. Aw, are you tired, babies? Well, that's sweet of you, Super Truck. But I think they're getting tired and could use a ride.
Manamaya!
Oh, wow! You're a super car carrier! That's perfect for giving tired babies a lift! All aboard! Are we ready to keep looking for the missing Easter eggs? Good luck with your search, babies! Find anything yet? Look, everyone! Super Truck found some eggs! And you remembered where the rest of them are? At Carrie's? Well then, let's go! Oh dear, what's wrong with the babies? Ah, I think you're right. Look, the eggs are melting from the sun. Super Truck, what do we do? Use the ST3000? Great idea! Stand back and close your eyes, everyone. The freeze ray is bright. Whoa! Nice work, Super Truck. That ought to keep him cool while we drive back to Carrie's. It's safe to open your eyes now, guys. Now, let's go get the rest of the eggs. Hooray! The Easter eggs are here at last. Couldn't have found them without you, Carl. Oh, wow! Another Easter treat! Thanks for the jelly beans, Carrie! Have a happy Easter, everyone! See you next time!